We're planting some maple trees that we were gifted. Brian has hand dug the holes. So we've got 3 of them. We have spaced those out 20 feet apart on the top part of our property here. He's got holes ready. Now we're going to get them planted. Okay, we got all 3 maple trees put in the ground. We've got our raised bed rings around it and fresh pine bark. Here's the second one. Brian's got them staked off. They will stay staked off for 1 year to establish their roots in their stem and grow. There's the third one. Thank you, baby. So these trees were gifted to us by the city of Rogers, Arkansas, to replace some of the trees that we lost in a tornado back May of 2024. So it's been almost through. We lost 63 trees. So this is just a portion. We do have a couple of other trees that were gifted. We have not decided where we're going to plant those yet.